How to recover Gmail account without verification code, password, and phone number. Let's jump right into the steps. First, you want to go ahead and open any of the browser. I'm using Google Chrome here. Go to the search bar and search for Google Account Recovery. Tap on How to recover your Google account or Gmail. Now here you need to scroll down a little bit and under Can't sign in for another reason, tap on Get Help Signing In. Select the issue. I'm choosing the first one, you forgot your password. Now here again you need to scroll down a little bit from here and then you need to go ahead and tap on Tips to complete account recovery steps. Then again tap on Account Recovery page. Now enter the Gmail account here that you want to recover. Then you want to go ahead and tap on Next. Now here you want to go ahead and enter the password. No matter if it is wrong, you just want to go ahead and type anything here and tap on Next. Then you want to go ahead and tap on Continue. Tap on Continue again. So now that is how you can recover your Gmail account without verification code, password, and phone number. Now you can go ahead and check on your Gmail. So that is how you can do it. I really hope this video helped you out. Thank you so much for watching till the very end.